I'd like to share a very, very special gift that I received from a very, very special friend. A late gift to my birthday this year. And she hoped that I would like it. Now, let's have a look. First, I untie. Now, side note, I have yet to receive anything from her that I did not like. So, it comes with a lovely little watercolor tag. Happy birthday. The box says Coco, white feather pen. I already love it. Then on the back it says that it contains a pen. It has beautiful, beautiful gold writing. And so I pull this. Just carefully do this. It says, meet Coco. I need to get my glasses for this. Because it has a little poem here written on this vellum sheet. She's the fearless, adventurous spark you can always count on. As sharp as she is passionate, she is a whimsical dreamer full of curiosity and grace. She's a charming free spirit, always here to help plan out your dreams. Keep organized and capture your story in style. It's a little bit of a descriptive poem, personal descriptive poem. Let me see. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oi. I'm just gonna get these little plastic things off. This is a stand. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Golden tipped white feathered pen. Wow. I need to write something. But first there is a little saying here as well. We write to taste life twice, in the moment and in retrospect. That's a quote by Anais Nin. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Now, a piece of paper. Let's see how it writes. This is a stand, guys. Look. It just holds the pen upright. And it's stable. It's very, very stable. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I feel special. Life twice. It rolls in the moment and in retrospect. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. It writes beautifully. white feather quill. Magic. Black ink. Wow. And it's refillable, so that's also a bonus. And I can just plant it, place it on my desk. Stand. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's what I wanted to share with you today.